Hi guys. Okay, so I'll be staying in this white oak dining table top. It's huge, 108 by 56. I'll be using Rubiomonocoat in the dark roast color. I already have it mixed here in my beautiful La La Land cup. I do spend with coffee, but I save with the cups. The tabletop is already clean. I use mineral spirits to clean this. It's like no dust, no nothing. So it's ready to receive my Rubiomonocoat, and I'm gonna start by spreading it. And then I'm gonna come clean with my buffer, and you're gonna just follow me along. Okay, this is probably the biggest table I've done. To really be well absorbed, so I put a much bigger quantity of product here. I'm going to start through the side. This curing for 2 days. It's beautiful, the color is beautiful, but you can see how the resin absorbs differently, so it gets kind of blotchy, I'd say. So today I'm gonna be applying some Sheen Plus here. The Sheen Plus is a product that's supposed to create a satin finish on top of the finish from Rubiomonocoat oil plus 2C. That's what I'm gonna do today.